How to sign up and access PNC Bank's online banking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up and access PNC Bank's online banking. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the PNC mobile banking application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. If for some reason you cannot download the application, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for PNC Bank and tap on the first link you see there. The sign up process is the same for both the web page and the application. Now to sign up, tap on the sign on option you see on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the login portal of PNC Bank. So go ahead and tap on the Enroll in Online Banking option firstly. In the interface that you will be led to, you will first have to select an ID type used to open or identify your PNC account. So go ahead and select any of the option that suits you the best. You can also tap on the I don't have any of these option. You will be further asked to enter your passport number, so go ahead and enter that. Now, enter your PNC account number under the Account Information tab, and then further verify your information by selecting any one of these options, that is, enter either your PNC debit card PIN or your online access PIN, or receive a one-time password sent to your phone. Once you have verified your information, tap on the Next button. You will then be led to the second step of signing up to PNC Bank online banking. Here, go ahead and enter your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth by following the instructions shown on the screen. Once you have entered the required details, you will be asked to create a username and password. So, go ahead and create a username and password. Choose a unique username and a strong password that you will use to log into your online banking account. Make sure to follow the guidelines while setting up the username and the password. Once done, review and confirm your information. Double-check on all of the information that you have provided to ensure accuracy and make the necessary changes. Once you have completed all the requested steps, submit your enrollment request. PNC Bank will then verify your information and send you a confirmation email with further instructions. So once your account has been verified by PNC, head towards the process of account activation to activate. Simply follow the instructions provided by PNC Bank. Once your account has been activated, go back to the login portal of PNC Bank and enter your login credentials, that is, your username and your password that you had set earlier to further access your online banking. So, this is how you can sign up and access PNC Bank's online banking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.